We're alive. We're doing well.
Well, he just jinxed it. Damn it, Brandon! You and your like,
Winning by 1.
yeah, 6 the last time, 1 this time.
I like that I had the grenade launch when I did the
Hey, I'm
damage
not
to
at the
witch.
bottom on this one.
All right. That's just.
We got enough ammo. We got one more round with the launcher.
Oh, does the normal ammo drop not refill that?
No.
All right, I think we're ready.
We should look around and see if we have supplies.
Weapons here! Look out!
Okay, that better have been an accident.
Adrenaline up here if anyone needs it.
I would take it. I stabbed Brett with my last one, so.
You don't actually get a stab when you use those. They just like hand them over. It's kind of a bummer.
Oh, that's right.
It'd be more fun if you just were like.
Brett, there's pills in here.
Pills! Okay! Pills are good! Pills are good!
Oh, I get. Oh, who needs them? I give to Brett. Where's he at?
Well,
I know how to do that now. Okay, there's some more right there
I got 'em.
on the side of the wall. Okay.
Got it. But I didn't.
Woof!
What? That didn't kill it. Wow, I did a lot of damage to it, I'm sure. Or if it's airborne, it just doesn't do anything.
We heard reports that the virus spreads through men.
So they just killed him?
Well, better safe than sorry, I guess.
I don't know how I didn't kill it.
Molotov in here.
Oh, Lord, not another smoker.
You know, I'm surprised we haven't found another chainsaw the way things are going.
I kind of used mine up too.
Because the last level had 4. I hear a hunter, I think?
Probably.
Reloading. Reloading.
The Deagle is very satisfying in this game.
Nothing
Pipe
here.
bomb in here.
Oh.
Oh, that one intercepted it.
Oh, this is the one with the mud men.
Yep.
Mudmen. There's a bunch of pipe bombs in here.
Oh, golly!
Got it.
Okay, that
Did
wasn't
it.
the smoker.
I'm a reload.
All right.
I'm reloading.
Screw these goddamn mud people.
The Mudmen.
Did you say that, Adam?
No, that was Brandon, technically.
Oh, then screw the mud people. That's all I heard.
Mudmen.
Does anyone want adrenaline? No, looks like you're all good.
I'll take
I'll-
it.
I'll pop some pills.
I already
Oh.
did.
That'll hold me.
Well,
You know me.
yeah, you like your pills.
I hear Boomer.
Me too. He's on the call with us.
Like, I was wondering when somebody's gonna make a comment like that.
I mean, you've made enough of them yourself. There's a
I-
Molotov in
You
here.
can't beat them, join them, right?
Exactly. There was a spitter that I'm surprised I didn't. Oh, there it is. Nope.
What's that?
Spit coming! Spit up!
Dang it. Once again.
I think I hear something. Boomer.
Oh, shoot.
Ow. Red.
Get around back through here.
Look, I was trying to be clever and shoot it under the house. But I
Yeah, well,
failed.
how'd that work? Brett, there's
First
still
aid kit there. Get off me, you little.
Got it.
Oh, there's a lot of first aid kits in here.
Yeah. Everyone just
Might need one.
We should
heal.
top off.
Heal yourself.
Unless we have to come back through this way, I don't think we do.
That's what I'm talking about.
Well,
I guess
There's
it's
a jockey
different
coming.
mission.
Or it's
that
just a
wasn't it.
mud.
It was a mud man.
I think that's just what I saw.
Oh, charger.
Wait,
Oh, what?
Yeah, see, the grenade launcher is not enough to kill him, so it just, softens him up.
Hell's here.
Okay, we gotta come out this way.
There's another witch somewhere.
Gotta keep me tight.
Brett, how many grenade shots do you have left?
8.
Damn.
Why?
I was hoping it was 0 because now you're gonna try to start it. Now you're gonna try to kill the witch with it.
Tell you what, mud people take all.
oh, there she is right there, isn't it? Oh,
I didn't
that's
do it.
The witch?
You shot me.
no.
Wait, I startled the witch.
Hey, I'm reloading. And y'all shooting me.
That was terrifying.
Hey.
You shot me.
I think it was a stray bullet missed the mudman I was shooting and hit the witch.
Mm-hmm.
My hit percentage is going to be like 0 at best.
Where we're supposed to go? Where you guys are at, or where Brandon's
Yeah.
at?
I went the wrong way.
Okay.
The charger dead? Yeah.
Reloading.
Alright, I had to change weapons, sadly. End of an era.
Yeah, I'm running low on ammo right now. Hopefully I can find a new weapon soon.
Up here. What the hell? The only way is over the bridge?
Oh, well, we're gonna have to fight the horde again.
Okay.
I might need to find a weapon before we go
Yeah,
over that
same.
bridge.
Lower the plank.
Don't do that yet.
Where do we find weapons?
You guys down on the main floor? Okay.
Yep, I think we are kind of SOL.
Okay, let's... there's some down here. They're not great, but
They are better than nothing.
Yo, I got a new thing.
Oh no.
I saved Rudy Poo.
Thank you.
oh geez, there was only one of each of those weapons. Well, you guys might have to protect me a little bit.
Little sister, you got to learn to shoot.
Ran out of ammo on everything there.
Yeah, I am out of ammo.
Alright, well,
I'm almost completely out of ammo. And I can't remember where the bridge is.
You gotta go up and then.
It's in here. No.
Where are you guys going? So,
Got it.
All right, so over here,
all right, following you guys.
then we just gotta move.
Alright, run. Follow them. I'll bring up the rear. You just gotta run, so follow them. Yep.
I'm waiting for you guys to run. Where are you running to?
Wait,
Well, the bridge
has
is
to
gonna
lower
drop.
first.
I got it.
That bridge?
Got it.
Oh, it's full of goo. That bridge?
No, other way.
Okay, follow Adam. Go. Go that way.
Oh god.
Ah,
Don't
shit.
don't go across it yet. It won't lower if you're on it.
Yeah, come back. Come back.
I'm trying to get back.
Double kill.
Ooh, a twofer.
Gotta come back up and around.
I'm going. I'm going. I'm going.
Yep, up there. Yeah.
Oh god, that's a smoker.
All right, bridge is down.
Go, go, go.
Trying to
I hear a
get moving. There we
charger
go. There we
somewhere. Dad, I'm truly sorry for what I'm about
I
to
see
do.
the charger.
Okay. I still think
Oh, no.
I have Molotov cocktail.
I'm running from the charger. Got it.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Reloading.
I'm down.
Reloading. Look out.
Hey, I need some help over here.
I got you.
Come on now. Get up.
All right.
Okay, keep moving.
Dad, I just
Keep
want
running.
you to know how sorry I am.
There's a charger down there on the ground. Oh no,
There's
and a
also
tank.
somewhere.
Uh-oh. Shrek.
Wait, what happened to me? Oh, the tank happened to me. I'll shoot him in the ace.
Uh-oh.
All right, there's fire.
God, that's taking him enough time to build him.
Uh-oh, I'm gonna die.
Jeez, that guy doesn't go down.
Oh no.
Ah! Okay. Oh, I'm down to almost no ammo. Ah!
Okay, keep running.
I'm running. Uh-oh, where'd you guys go? Oh, down there. Oh,
Follow Adam.
Gotta go up the ramp here.
Yep. This way.
oh, this way. Okay.
Yep, up here.
Where's the ramp?
Over here.
Oh, I
yeah.
got it. I got it. Yep.
Yep. Up the stairs and in the house.
The stairs. Oop.
What? That's illegal. You can't have the chainsaw.
Look, I was getting swarmed. I really just needed
I'll
something.
give it up once in a while.
If it helps, I apologize before picking it up.
All right, let's close the door. Then we can heal up before the next one.
Yes.
Ooh, I got this.
Yeah,
There we
let's heal up.
This is probably a waste of a chainsaw.
All right. Out the door.
Yep.
Over the window and through the woods.
Bloodmen. That's a bush, not a zombie.
Yeah, they look pretty similar.
Look. Sometimes they do. It was green. It was like a cactus plant thing that looked like a spitter.
Killed the plant. Heard a vegetarian there.
I did mess that plant up, that's for sure.
Pills here.
Ooh, I'll take them. That's one stat I'm usually good for. Most pills taken.
Oh, yeah. It's better.
Ooh. Uh-oh. I got somebody on me.
Got him.
Get my ass beat.
It's just funny. I put like a whole clip in it, and then Brandon shoots it with the pistol once, and it dies.
I mean, it's the Dig.
I
Give
know.
me some credit.
Hey,
But
Brett.
it's just funny.
Hey, Brett.
There's their launcher right there. Grenade launcher.
Oh boy, man. Game's just, being nice to Tom and I. Chainsaws and grenade launchers galore.
Jockey.
Reloading.
How fun do you think it was to voice act the zombies in this game?
Probably pretty fun.
Alright, I think this is the final.
Yeah, it's the big defense up top.
Oh, yeah.
With the helicopter and everything, or not?
No, we
This one's-
call in a boat.
I was gonna say, I think this was a speedboat.
Oh,
Ah, yep. Ladder over here.
Holly, that brownie is delicious.
Ooh, is there fun things in it?
I haven't had
Uh-oh,
the peanut
somebody's
butter
got
yet.
me.
Uh-oh.
I got somebody got me here.
Yeah, we're... Ah! Don't shoot
Sorry.
me because of it!
There we go.
If I see it, I'm gonna shoot the shit out of it.
If I see it, I'm gonna shoot the shit out of it.
Oh, bombs everywhere.
I'm jockeyed. I'm jockeyed.
Where are you?
Where are you?
Oh,
I'm
no.
way back. I didn't realize we'd dropped down. Well, that's probably me dead.
Can you get
Well, you're
up?
not a dad, so it doesn't add to the counter.
Oh,
Where are you at it?
I'm way outside.
He's gone.
Yeah, I'm gone.
Okay.
Oh, we could have gotten there, I think, from this side.
Did that get boomed on again? Yeah, there he is. Oh,
I can't see where I'm going.
yeah, that's because you got boomed.
Where is
No, I can't get around. Yeah, we dropped in.
Hey, I found the jockey that got Brandon.
Where do we go?
Oh, we have to go call the ferry.
Oh my gosh.
Which without Brandon, this is going to be very difficult.
There's health over here if we want to heal up.
Stop, guys.
Gotta
Come
heal myself
top
up here.
off.
I mean, you could wait and see if a survivor pops up.
We got some. We can't get to him, right?
I don't think so.
Okay, because there was a defib in the house.
I know I had it, but I tried to get around. I just don't think you can. I think we dropped in and
Yeah.
Taking the right
everybody have a
That's
okay.
fine.
Yeah.
Oh no, I want the hell. Oh, there we
You
go.
might want to
All right.
heal at.
I am.
Yeah. There. Oh, you can just heal yourself.
Okay, I've only got 60 left, so wait and see if there's one in a closet when I die.
Sure.
That fixed me up real good.
There's a first aid kit here.
We can do that.
Oh, we found a holly.
We gotta go back through, basically, or go find
No.
Brandon.
We're just waiting for Brandon to die.
Can we go
He's
heal him
muted.
up?
Holly's muted.
Yeah, you're muted, Holly, when you said that.
Yeah,
I just
you can
figured
see
that
some-
out.
There's a guy there.
I can
Oh.
see Adam on the other, Brandon on the other side of the
Yeah,
wall.
he's here.
I'm here.
All right.
Okay.
I was
Is
just
that
trying to say that Tom's
Okay.
crushing it. Hello, Tom. Good job.
Hi, Holly. I'm still alive.
You
I
are.
I did boomer practice this morning because Debbie said I was really bad.
All right.
No, you're doing good.
Are there weapons around somewhere?
Mhm.
Yeah, down by the
Outside.
Not where I am. Okay, let me know
Over
when you're
here.
ready for me to call the boat.
Where you at? Oh, over here. Okay.
Okay, I'm
Waterloo.
gonna hop off.
Remember, when the boat gets here, you can't jump off the top of the house to get to it.
You can't.
No, you will die.
All right.
How you doing, Mr.
Okay, now go hold up in the house.
Oh, so you called him. Now we got to sit up there.
That's the response.
Yeah.
Keep him
Oh.
up there.
Yeah. If we can get up top, there's a mounted machine gun.
Ooh, that sounds
So
like
come,
fun.
come this way.
I already hear a hunter, I think.
Probably.
That guy right there.
Oh, there we go. Thanks.
Oh yeah.
Okay, don't forget they will come up behind us.
I know. I'm watching.
Watch out!
Covering our back.
Did we find any more melee weapons anywhere?
I didn't see any.
I
Oh,
didn't see
found a
it
baseball
either.
bat.
They're dropping in from the roof. All right, I got the inside pretty well handled.
You sure about that?
Oh no, there's a charger in the house. Someone.
Oh, I don't have the don't have the dig anymore.
Reloading!
I'm just gonna heal while I'm here.
yeah.
Healing. All good now.
The charger dropped down from the ceiling.
There,
Oh god, a tank!
somewhere.
There's a tank inside.
Oh, he's inside. Oh, he's outside.
He's
now.
not inside. And there's a spitter. I'm laying in the spitter pit. Okay. Oh, you downed me.
I just shot you, didn't I? Here.
It might have been me.
No,
need
it was-
a
definitely
first
said
aid
your
kit?
dad did it.
Ah.
Here.
We'll see.
Oh God!
Did I just heal myself again? Damn it!
He sure did. He is at full health.
Oh, that's funny.
Sorry about that, man.
You're
I didn't
healed.
mean to do it.
Oh, that's funny.
Who needs it more?
Give it to. I just took pills. Give it to Brandon. All right.
Oh,
Oh.
shoot. Boomer exploded on me.
It got all of us, I think.
Not me.
Definitely got me.
We're gonna go inside and find more of those. That stash of bombs. I do not remember where it is. Oh God, that's a
Charger.
charger.
Nice shot.
Was it a nice shot?
I don't know. You killed it quickly.
Because he was in my face. Oh, spitter. Oh God, I'm probably down here. Oh, maybe not.
Oh, Dad shot me.
I got the zombie I was getting, yeah. Did I shoot you, Brandon?
Yeah,
I
yep.
think I did. I think I've got a... Do I have a first aid kit? I don't.
Yeah, because you used it on yourself.
Alright, I'm on my last legs here.
Okay.
Yeah, of course.
I'm out of ammo.
Oh, another tank.
I hear Shrek. Oh.
There he is.
Ow, what? Oh, I'm getting choked. You can shoot him with the LMG or whatever.
Oh.
No, I can't. Oh my gosh.
He's somewhere.
Where's the tank?
He's in the house. There you go.
Oh, there he is.
He climbed the house.
Okay. he's
There's
dead.
another tank.
Oh my God!
I am down.
Yep. All right, that's up to you.
Ah, I'm
No.
trying to get out of there.
It's all you.
He got him!
Hey, all right,
No,
save
pick
us.
him up.
Save us.
I got
You must drop the chainsaws. That's important. Dad,
Rescue him!
What's that?
Rescue
Get
him!
up!
What am I supposed to do?
E!
Hit E!
E.
Hurry!
Hold it!
Sorry. That's what I forgot to do is keep the holding E.
Oh,
I
that's
got a chainsaw
hilarious.
too, though.
I got him.
Dad, run to the boat.
Run to the boat.
Just go
Oh,
to the boat.
run to the boat.
Oh,
Oh,
Ah,
that's
damn it.
one. We left a dad.
One dad left.
Oh,
Isn't that my first one, man?
that was. We left a dad.
Yeah, he kind of left us to get the chainsaw, so...
I forgot I had a.
Priorities, man.
The thing that sucks is a chainsaw with, like, no gas in it.
Oh, it didn't?
Yeah, it was my
Nice.
old chainsaw.
Now you tell me.
All right, I'm gonna heal.
I was dying! Right, heal up and
Oh.
take this kit. Okay.
What? You don't want your dad to heal himself again?
I did. I already- I figured out how to do that part. So I got to get on you and then hold the button down.
Right click instead of left click.
Well, no, he's saying to pick you up, you hold E.
Oh, yes, yes. To get someone off the ground. You look at him and hold E.
Okay, I really hope I find a melee weapon before the house now, so I can get rid of this chainsaw and not have to risk it again.
Oh, where's the katana? I want the katana, damn it.
I don't think this is the map for katanas.
Oh, okay.
Bill's
Maybe I
here.
find like a club. Hills?
Yep.
Well, let me grab him. Huh,
I got him.
Oh,
got him. Okay.
darn. Oh, come on.
Nice shot.
I got him. Without shooting Rudy Poo. That's pretty good for me.
I don't know if you can shoot them while they're getting pounced.
You definitely can. It's just we don't do a lot of team damage.
Yeah. The right way?
This way.
No, to the left.
Reloading.
Ooh, axe. Well, maybe not.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Smoker went in the house. Got the smoker. There's ammo on the roof over here if anyone needs it.
I
I mean, we're almost at the house, so.
Okay. Yeah, we should just keep going.
Okay. I already came up here, so.
Charger.
There he is.
Ah, he got me from behind.
Oh, Brandon just flash shot it. Okay.
Hey, we can use that ladder.
Hey, Dad. Remember, if you see a chainsaw in this house, it doesn't have any gas in it.
Okay. I
Oh,
got it.
well.
I got an axe anyway, so.
Okay. Inside.
Oh, there's a hole in the bottom. So you guys go down?
Yeah.
Okay.
I accidentally went down it.
Okay. Need a bomb.
Okay. I don't think we get the health kits yet. I think we get them in case of emergency. I guess Dad should pick one up.
There's a bunch of
Yeah.
adrenaline over here.
Adrenaline shot here.
Okay.
Oops, sorry. Sorry. I almost got Rudy Poo there with the axe.
Alright.
Oh,
Oh, there's
spitter.
an entire other table of health packs.
Ow!
Oh,
There's a lot of health packs.
I killed the boomer.
Still a lot on my screen.
There must have been two then.
No, that was a joke.
First aid kit here.
Okay, so if we have a ton of first aid kits, we should definitely top off, right?
We could.
Just Dad and I.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think, yeah, that's probably fair.
I'm healing myself. Keep one.
Well,
from-
you're actually supposed to this time, so
Okay.
You guys want to post up and I'll go activate them?
We got guns.
sure.
So we stay up here.
Yep.
Yeah, you
stay
come
on
up
the map,
top
man.
so you can get
That's
the
right.
machine gun again.
Oh yeah, that was fun.
Okay, Dad, if you find a chainsaw in the house, don't pick it
Don't
up.
get. I am not. That's lover learner. Yes, I am. Okay, here we go. I got the
A
machine gun.
pitchfork?
That's fun.
Do, 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 do.
I don't think it's good, though.
Probably not.
The axe has been pretty good.
The axe is really good.
I'll cover the inside again.
It's one of
Okay,
the-
never mind. Oh my
Oh, shit, that didn't
goodness.
take me long.
That thing literally, I like walked by the door and it just nailed me. That was, the timing on that was pretty hilarious.
Oh god, where'd he go?
Roll. Quit shooting me. Gotta reload.
One shot.
What?
Fire in the hole.
Me with the frying pan?
Yeah, I just hear the frying pan noise over there.
Look, they didn't put the axe and the baseball bat back in the house, so I had to work with what I had.
Bong.
Reloading.
Look, this frying pan is doing some work.
I'm gonna heal really quick.
Hold on.
Um,
I gotta heal.
I can hear something scary.
Yeah, something's shaking
it's
the whole damn
definitely
place.
a tank.
Nice.
Oh, there he is.
Okay.
Stop, guys. I have to heal.
I'm gonna heal and then go grab a health kit.
Okay, I'm good.
I think it's too late to grab.
I'm
Too late
going.
to crap, is that what you said?
Grab.
Oh, I thought.
Jockey on me. Thank you.
The horde's coming from in the house.
Oh, I got smoked. I'm inside.
I know I'm coming.
I just threw a bomb in there.
Okay. Brandon got it. Now.
Adam, you can't go get the health kit. You are just going to die.
Now with my trusty pan, I won't.
Okay.
Oh, they are on the other side. I also need ammo, so. I hear a tank.
Ah!
Did we get the spitter? Okay.
Nope, I panned it to death.
Oh, that was some leg. Oh god, I fell. I'm in the house. Don't shoot me.
Reloading.
All right.
Oh.
I-
Was that low on heal? Oh,
Oh,
shit!
oh.
I axed the wrong lady. Damn it! I can't see anything.
Tank.
I don't see it. Oh, he's outside.
He's coming in.
I did a lot of damage. There's a second one. Oh god.
Yeah, he's dead.
There's another one outside.
Okay,
There's been
the
3
boat should be
Shreks.
here soon.
Oh shit! There's another one.
We should go.
Okay.
We should go down to the main floor. The boat's gonna be here soon.
I hear smoke on.
I need health. Or not health, ammo.
Yeah, there's-
I'm out of sound ammo too.
There's some on.
There-
Oh,
There's some,
gosh.
Keep moving.
Was
Yep,
there
run.
ammo down here somewhere?
Yes,
yeah, but
there
just
is.
keep running. Just keep running.
another tank. Okay, rescuers are right. Just run.
Just run.
Okay,
Am I
just
running
run,
the
just
right
run.
direction?
Just run. Yep,
Yeah,
yep.
that way.
Keep going that way. Just.
Oh, I see the boat.
Oh, I got stuck. I'm down.
Brett, we're
Just
gonna
go. Just leave.
Well, the boat's not there. Or you go swim in the water?
Yep.
There is a tank coming for you. Shrek is
go.
on his way.
Oof. Move, Dad.
I'm going to go.
All right, we
Yeah.
made it down alive.
Sacrifice.
Hey, I've only died once. I'm doing pretty damn good. Of course, you guys healed me a few times, but
Hey.
Hey,
I'm
got
a
an
raging-
achievement.
Who
I
did?
did too. Raging Cajun.
No, I was saying you got an achievement.
Yes.